Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance book by Robert Kiyosaki that advocates for a different perspective on money and investing. The book teaches the following key concepts: the difference between assets and liabilities. The book emphasizes the importance of acquiring assets that generate passive income rather than liabilities that consume money. The importance of financial education. The book argues that formal education does not necessarily equip individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to build wealth. The power of entrepreneurship. The book encourages individuals to think entrepreneurially and to seek out business opportunities that can generate passive income. The dangers of debt. The book warns against taking on too much debt and advocates for living below one's means and saving for the future. The importance of taking calculated risks. The book emphasizes the importance of taking calculated risks in order to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a book that challenges conventional wisdom about money and encourages individuals to think differently about their finances and financial future.